Hi everybody, this is Bradford Applegate back again on the Billion Seconds channel, and today I'd like to talk to you about this global warming hoax and why actually the only major climate change that there is that we can prove are ice ages and why we're due for one. It's due to a principle called precession. That's Precession. Look it up. Some of you may be old enough to remember, as I am, spinning tops when you were a kid. And as the top spins around its axis extremely fast, it also wobbles a little bit. This even happens with a gyroscope. What happens with the Earth in its precession is that every 25,000 years, the Earth wobbles from between 21-degree tilt on its axis to a 24-degree tilt. And for some reason, at each end of its tilt, at 21 degrees and 24 degrees, thus every 12.5 thousand years, we have an ice age. This is undisputed scientifically, and we know this because of all the different archaeological sites were aligned with the stars. This is why when we talk about the age of Leo and Cancer and the future age of Aquarius, it's where the axis points and the North Star is. Polaris, our current North Star, was not the North Star 3,000 or 4,000 years ago when, for example, when the pyramids were built almost 10,000 years ago. The North Star was in a completely different constellation. That's why they called it the Age of Leo. It was probably actually before that, and Stonehenge. They were all either aligned with true north or with the rising and setting of the sun at either equinoxes or the solstice. So this is how we know. And as usual, the left and mainstream media has completely the opposite of what it is. The Earth will go into an ice age soon. The time is up. 12.5 thousand years is almost up since the last time we had an ice age, and we better be prepared for it. The whole northern part of the United States was under a sheet of ice. Long Island was formed by a glacier, and only science and technology is going to get us through this. So instead of spraying pollutants up into the atmosphere to try and block the sun, so like some of these idiots are doing now, we should actually be doing the opposite and preparing for a way to feed ourselves when more than 50% of the agricultural land in the world is under a sheet of ice. So that's about it, folks. And as usually, the left is completely wrong. In fact, the opposite of what's really happening. And we better wake up and figure out how to deal with it. It's coming soon. Bye.